Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present with this gorgeous Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Landmark. Now this vehicle is currently run 22,885 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Santorini Black, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now taking a look around the vehicle here, starting at the front, you've got very stylish xenon headlights with nice signature LED daytime running lights. You have your Range Rover badge in there, finished in grey, that complement the 19-inch alloy wheels here. Just sit very nicely on them. You have nice grey detail in there on the side, and you also have your indicator integrated into the door mirror. You also have rear privacy glass to give you nice privacy to the rear, and also adds to the styling as well. You have gorgeous black leather seats here at the rear. You do have an armrest there with two cup holders. You also have ISOFIX points so you can easily fit a child seat to the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in. You do have air conditioning vents here at the rear, so rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning as well and travel comfortably. And now to the rear. It's a very stylish small SUV. You have your Evoque badge in there in red. You do have a power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, and it provides you with access to the boot space. It's very spacious. You can easily fit a set of golf clubs in there or a bunch of shopping. You do have tethering points so you can tie any loads down. And up top, when you're unloading the vehicle and your hands are full, instead of struggling to close the tailgate, you have a button to give you a flawless exit from the vehicle. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel here. Got nice fabric along the dashboard. You have your front seats here. You do have a panoramic roof up top that's fixed. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in the vehicle with the electric adjustment, making it very easy to do. And now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this vehicle has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. The folding is great as you can quickly fold your mirrors in if you're in a tighter space, and it's also handy if you park on a narrow road as you can fold them in to keep them protected from being knocked off by other road users. On the steering wheel here, behind it you have your automatic wipers as well as your headlight switches. When set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focus on the road and not lose concentration. On the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control settings, which is handy for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and you can arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less straining your foot. Now in between the dials here in the instrument cluster, you do have a digital display with nice graphics and images. You can access different menus, such as your driver assistance that includes lane departure warning, that will detect when you're drifting out of your lane and alert you to correct this to prevent you from colliding with other road users in different lanes. You also have your autonomous emergency braking that detects any potential hazards ahead and can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can access your different trip menus here. You have Trip A, Trip B and Auto. It's very straightforward to use as well. Now in the centre here you have your touchscreen infotainment system, and through this you can access your DAB, FM and AM radio that allows you to easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle. Of course with DAB it provides you with great audio quality as it's digital, so you can enjoy radio nice and clear. It's very easy to find different stations available to you. You can scroll through to find your preferred station, and then you can save it as a preset so you always have it available to you. You do have USB and auxiliary input as well, and of course Bluetooth that also allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. It's very easy to connect a device up here. You can search for devices here to discover them. You can connect your Bluetooth through your phone instead. Do you also have navigation so you can be sure you're never lost, and you can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease with the easy to follow guidance. You also have speed limit warning on there. That'll alert you of what the speed limit on the road is. You also have some extra features here, such as eco data and valet mode. When you select reverse, your front and rear parking aid is activated and displayed on the infotainment screen to give you added confidence when parking in tight spaces, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle, of things you may not be able to see. Now below here you do have your dual zone climate control that allows the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices, prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold, so everyone can travel comfortably in the vehicle. It's very straightforward to use with each button clearly laid out, and you also have a heated front and rear windscreen, so you can quickly defrost on those winter mornings. Quickly get on the go. It's very straightforward to use. You also have heated front seats with different temperature options, so you can keep nice and warm for the upcoming winter months we have ahead of us. You can find the ideal temperature. You have your terrain response here behind the gear stick. As you can see, each setting is displayed on the display here in between the dials. You have your different modes for grass, gravel and snow, as well as sand and mud ruts. You can change these depending on the type of terrain you're on, so the vehicle can cope off-road. And up top you have a button there for opening and closing the visor for the fixed panoramic roof. As you can see, when opened, it does let plenty of light into the vehicle and it makes it feel even more spacious. Thanks for watching this video on the Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Landmark. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.